Hey, morning, man.
Morning.
All right. You know what that was, huh? Yeah, look way better than the other one. Yeah. Man, it's already that kind of day, man. It's already that kind of day. Got the water heater draining here. And for some reason, I just can't get this stuff thing to stop here. And it's turning and turning, and it's just not working right now. Normally, it doesn't even leak. But today is just one of those days. People are arguing back and forth. This is one of those bickering days. I don't like these days. Even the sky is gloomy. On top of that, this one here has a small drip from it. I would have started upstairs, but this one is had a leak on the top. And water got down on the floor here. Yesterday I wasn't on the job. The other plumbers were here, but when I come in today, this is what I come to. So I want to deal with this one first and get this on out of here. I already disconnected the fluke there. Also, I went outside and turned the gas off and unhooked that. Got a crew working on the tubs back there, if you can hear it. So, I'm going to be putting this in. Trying to get it out quick as possible, but I have to wait till it drains. It's close to being there. But then I can rock it a little. I can still feel the water, but still pretty much in there. So I'm going to proceed and getting this out.
You know where your hose is? Down by 70-30.
70-30? Okay. Okay, that's the boss man out here for the project. Now, to find out where 70-30 is, but I'll probably get it for the next one since this one's so close. I'll get it for the next one. Close to being drained out. But in the meantime, till next time, shalom. AAC out.